So you have a craving for a cookie, but you don't have that many ingredients in your home or apartment. You might be happily surprised that you can make simple sugar cookies based on just the simple ingredients that you may have. And if you don't have them, when you do, you'll be delighted to know just how simple it is to make a sugar cookie, not to mention inexpensive. Hi, I'm Jan. I really love helping people to keep some more of your own hard earned money. So I just decided to pop on and give you this simple sugar cookie method. Now, I'm not going to talk about how you decorate it, I'm not going to talk about icing, just the cookie itself. You may or may not want to decorate it. You could have it just the way it is. You could even just add a little bit of cinnamon sugar on the top. I like to keep things simple and the cost down. All right, forgive some outside noises, but that's life in the big city. Anyway, all you're going to need is 1 cup of sugar, meaning white sugar, 3/4 cup of softened butter, 1 egg, 2 1/4 cup of all purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So what you're going to do is so simple. What you're going to do is cream the sugar and the butter together with your electric mixer. Then you're going to add 1 egg. And then you're going to beat in the dry ingredients. Then you're going to form it into 2 shapes and roll it into 2 balls. Then you're going to cover and chill them for about a half hour, 25, 30 minutes or so. Then you're going to roll and cut out the cookies if you have a cookie cutter or whatever it is that you use to cut cookies. Sometimes you can invert like a glass if you don't have or a clean can that was cleaned out, or a ring down, boom, and you got yourself a cookie cutter. So you're going to roll and cut the cookies out to about 1/4 inch thickness. You're going to place your cookie shapes on an ungreased cookie sheet. Then you're going to bake in a preheated oven for 350 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. After that, you're going to take them out. You're going to let them cool for 2 minutes. There you go. And like I said, I'm not, mentioning the way you want to decorate it or the icing. You could always, that's optional. Trying to keep costs down, even a few calories down, because to be honest with you, I think they taste good just on their own. But if you want to bedazzle them a little in any way that you like, that's totally fine. But I just thought I'd come on here and mention this little simple recipe to you. Have a great day. Take good care now. Bye bye.